And this bloke, I'm going to have some fun with him. I mean, he seems reasonably quick. What bike is that? Is that an SV? I don't know, Suzuki saying or other. But yes, this is going to be blinding. Really, really good day. Looking forward to it. Wow, can you see that? Look, how many birds are there? Look, must be about, oh, God knows, 100? What's that guy looking at? That's a punch in the face. What a punch in the face, skis! He's pretty good. I'd like to see a bit more speed out of him. He's boring me now. Should I overtake him? Well, I can't hear, it's a bit blind. Oh yeah, if your bike struggles to corner for whatever reason, as I've said, this bike isn't mine. It's my mate Liam's, but the guy he bought it off was a midget, so he had all the suspension stiffened right up to try and get it as low as possible. So yeah, the suspension was proper hard, and I mean, I could tell this bike was rapid, like incredibly fast. But it every time you tried to go around the corner, it would like just start kicking and try and jump you off, and yeah, they've just ever slightly tweaked the suspension, just a tiny little bit. It's much better now, so much better. So yeah, I mean, if your bike's struggling for whatever reason, get someone to have a little look at the suspension, geezer. It's the way forwards. It's the way forwards. Right, I am gonna follow this guy, but I'm gonna have to overtake him because he's boring. You don't get a bike to bloody poodle around, do you? I mean, he's stuck behind a lorry, for fuck's sake. I think he can hear me. I don't know if you can see on camera. He keeps looking in his mirrors at me. What's that cunt going on about? Better not be talking about me, I'll kick his fucking arse. You on, geezer? Do it. That's it, son. Camera. I don't even know what the speed limit is here. 30, I guess. Oh, I have my full beams on. Yeah, nice one. I'm still shit at wheelies, if you didn't gather. I don't even know where I am. How embarrassing is that? Well, I'm not going to sit there. Places to go, people to see, yada 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 yada. Look at the bloody side. So that's the cool thing about being on a bike though, is if you get lost, flex the Eve straight on. I think I know my way around there. Should do. I used to work there once upon a time, so traffic. Oh, come on. Right, I'll go straight on and then, I don't know, follow my nose, I guess. Where the bloody hell am I? Royal Air Forces Association. Oh, I'm in Dartford. Fucking shithole. Really good place to go to get stabbed. It is well hot today. I know it might look shitty on camera, because I mean it does look like it's about to piss down, but the temperature is too much. It's fucking well hot. Yeah, I see you looking, you dirty bitch. Oh, he's got a sports bike. That's right. I was going to say room for one more, but there ain't. He took the fucking passenger foot pegs off to put on this fat exhaust. I know where I am, I think. Yeah, man, I know where I am. Don't know how to get out of here, but I've definitely been here before. Straight on. And this car's going to pull out. Yep. Let's go orange.
Wherever you want, just smile. This. Yeah. Oh, that's quality. That's my